Welcome back. In today's video, I want to show you how to design your navbar easily in Figma. So first of all, I have my icons right here that I want to use for this design. Okay, so I have them right here. So I'll go over to my file, right, so I can see my layers. Then I'll go ahead and grab my rectangle tool and I have my artboard already, so I'll make my rectangle tool here. Right, I want to use my artboard as a guide. Okay, so here is where I want the navbar to be. Then I want to reduce the curve a little bit, the radius. Okay, I want to bring it down like this a little bit. Then I'll go ahead and drag it down. Nice. Then I'll give it a dark color, probably black here. Black is okay. Nice. So I'm doing this so that I'm doing this inside the artboard so that it will act as a guide. All right. So here I'll go ahead and grab my icons inside. So I'll left click, drag and add my icon here. So I have this icon here. Okay, let me have this one here, then this one here, this one here. But then I want to bring it a little bit to push it in a little bit and push this one in a little bit too. Okay, sorry. So now I want to distribute them evenly. Okay, so I'll select all the icons. I'll hold on my shifts and make a selection. So let me select this one. I'll hold on my shift, select this, hold on my shifts, select this, hold on my shifts, select this. All right, so I want to distribute them evenly. Okay, so I'll go over to my property panel. Right, I'll click on this icon right here, my top right, on my alignment tool. Tap on this one, then I'll distribute horizontal spacing. Right, nice. So they will have the same spacing. Okay, then I'll go ahead and put all of them to the middle, align them vertical, right, to the center, so they will all be in the same line. Okay, nice. Then this is our navbar, and we want to have a page indicator so that when we are in our home, right, this is our home button, we know that is in our home. So we can either use text, okay, like this, or we can use a symbol. Okay, let's make use of circle. So I'll just circle right here. So I believe you might have made use of some app over the years and you might have seen this indication right here. Okay, so I'll go ahead and change the color to match the color of the icons here. Nice. So this is what we are going to use as our indicator. Okay, so this is going to tell us that yes, we are inside the home. Then when it is here, it tells us that okay, yes, we are inside the search navbar. Okay, so this is going to be our indicator. So once I'm done with this, right, I'll go ahead and select everything here. Okay, select everything here. Now I can bring it outside my artboard because I'm done using it as a guide, but I can still continue inside if I choose to. But let me just drag it outside like this. Okay, nice. So what do I need to do now? I need to make a component. All right, so I'll go ahead and create a component like this. Nice. Then I'll make a variant. Remember, I have how many icons? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll go ahead and make 3 more variants. One. Okay, let's just take it bit by bit. Okay, so now the next one is going to be our search bar. Right, this icon is going to go to this indicator, is going to move to the search bar. Right, nice. So I'll hold on my space bar. Okay, all right, and shift it. Sorry, not space bar, sorry. I'll hold down my shift, okay, on my keyboard, left click and drag so that it will be in the same line. Okay, nice. So I'll keep it here. Then I'll select this one, select both and make it to the middle. So sorry, align it here, go to my alignment to align horizontal center so that it will be in the middle of the icon. Okay, nice. So let's go ahead and rename this first, this default component, right, this one. So just tap on it, this one, come here, we are going to rename it as home. Okay, nice. Then here, come here, tap on this one. Here is going to be search. search, right? Cool. Then I'm going to make another variant now for this share. Okay, so come here, add variant. Nice. So what do I need to do? I need to click on this our indicator, this circle right here, hold down my shift left click hold and drag all the way, right? Nice. Then I'll see go ahead, select, hold down my shift select and align to the center, right? So that the icon and the indicator will be in the center. Then I'll tap on the entire component, come here, rename it to, this is search share, right? Share. Cool. Then the next one is our profile, right? So I'm going to go ahead and add another variant like this. Then same thing, tap on this indicator right here, hold down my shift left click hold and drag all the way, right? Nice. Then I'll hold down my shift left click both and align to the center, right? Cool. Nice. Then I'll go ahead, tap on this variant and rename it here as profile, right? Profile. Cool. Now it's time to prototype. Okay, so I'll grab on, we are going to start with this one, right, with the search bar, because this is the next one, right? Search. This is our default home, right? So I'll tap on, I'll go to my prototype here, right? I'll tap on this search icon, because when I tap on this search icon, it's going to take us to the search page, right? Cool. So I'll drag on this prototype wire, take it to this search prototype search variant, right, that we made. So it's going to be on tap, right? And smart animate, right? Smart animate, you can use any curve, but I want to use gentle right here. So 800 milliseconds. Nice. Cool. Then I'll grab on this one, right? Grab on this one and I'll drag it over to share. This can be really confusing, but just take your time and follow the steps. All right. Then the same settings. Cool. Then I'll drag on this one here and take it to the profile. All right, to the profile, the same settings on top. Then I'll go over to this one here. Okay, I'll go over to this one here and drag it over to home. All right, we want to prototype everything so that by the time we are on any page at all, we can go back to any navbar we want to go back to. All right, so this one will go back to home, right? Cool. Then we are going to skip this one because we are here. All right, always follow your page indicator, this circle right here. So this is where we are search, so we have nothing to do the search right now. So we'll go over to our share, right? Our share, I'll drag my share over to my share variant, right? Cool. Same settings. Then this one to my profile, I'll drag it over to my profile settings, right? Same settings. To my profile variant, same settings. Cool. Then I'll go back to, I'll come over to my next variant, which is my share variant, right? This is my share variant. So I'll start over with the home icon, right? Then I'll drag it over back to home. Remember, we want to prototype everything, because when we are on search, we want to go back to home, want to go back to profile. All right, regardless of where we are. Nice. Then this one, now this search will now go back to this search variant here. Cool. Then we are going to skip this one because we are here, right? So I'll tap on this, my profile, drag it over to profile, same settings. Now we are in our profile settings, right? In our profile variant, sorry. Now I'll tap on my home here, tap on my home, right, and take it back to home, right, to my home variant, same settings. This one will go back to search, all right, to search, same settings. Then this one will go to share, right, to share, same settings. Cool. So we are done with this. So we can go ahead and rename this. Let me come here and rename this, and double click here, navbar. Cool. So how do I access this now? I'll go over to my assets panel, my top left. All right, my assets. Then come here, click on this local assets, right? So I have my navbar here. So now I want to drag it inside my artboard. Okay, drag this inside my artboard. All right, great. So here we are, we have this. Let me adjust this one, let me take it away. Okay, let me adjust this, bring it down. Nice. So I have my navbar here. Okay, let me go ahead and duplicate this page so we can have for share, search, and profile. So command D, command D, command D. Nice. So if this is our home, right, this page here, let me quickly change the color. If this page here is our home, then this should be our search, right? When we click on search, let me change the color so that we can easily identify them. All right, then this is our share, right? This is our share. So I want to quickly change this color to any color at all. Right, nice. So now how do I navigate from home to share? I'll tap on this my components, right, that I made. I'll go over to my property here. I'll change it to share, right? Share. Then I'll come here, change this to what? Sorry, the other one was search, right? So this is going to be share. Cool, share. Then this is gonna be our profile. Cool. So any page you are designing, make sure that the particular page indicator on your navbar will be that particular page. All right, so now let's move from one page to another. Let me prototype now. All right, so let's see. Now when I click on search, what's going to happen? Right, you see how the page indicator swiped over to search, right? So when I click on share, right, cool, see that right there, right? Cool. But now let me move from one page to another. So now let's say this is our share, right? Okay, this is our search, right? So let me click on prototype quickly. Prototype. So I'll click on this, my share, right? I'll tap on it and drag it over to my share artboard. Okay, to my share artboard. I'll maintain same settings, smart animate. All right, then let me take this from home, right? Home back to our home artboard. All right, cool. So let me preview now and see what we're going to have. Preview. So preview now. So when I tap on search, right, you see how the color changed. So we have moved from one artboard to the another. All right, you see how that worked out, right? So cool. So that's what you are going to do for all the pages. So you want to link this one right here to your search, right, to your share. Sorry, this is our share, right? Cool. Then we want to go back from here. All right, we want to go back to home from here. Go back to home from here. All right, nice. So by the time I preview this, let me preview this. Okay, let me start from here. Preview. So when I tap on share right now, right, as you can see I'm in share and I can go back to home. All right, so that is how to prototype your navbar. You can decide to use letters here, right? You can decide to use shapes to signify. All right, so it's pretty simple and easy. Cool.